What you doing, Brooke?
Sweeping?
You came up with that all on your own, huh?
Yep.
Thank you.
Because you have a broom in your hand.
I know, I do have a broom in my hand. Let's see if it works. It does, it works. Not great, but it's good. You're so smart. Thank you, Brooke.
It helps a little.
It does help a little.
I like how it's sweet.
Bye-bye.